Let's start this video out by grabbing a nice coffee. We are in the Old Town Historic District of Saudi, and there's lots of these great little cafes like this. So let's stop in and grab something, and then we're going to have a little chat, and we'll see a little bit of the downtown area. Cappuccino, please.
One cappuccino, anything else?
That's it.
17. Cash or credit?
Cash. Shukran.
One.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Shukran, guys. Thank you, guys. After years of military contracting, I retired, packed my backpack, and just started traveling. This is the story, and I'm taking you along with me to see the world. This is Retire and Go. Gotta keep the mask on when you're in the downtown area. Right now, at the time that this filming is getting done, Saudi is very serious about wearing masks. And actually the CV-19 situation in Saudi is not that bad, but they are just taking, of course, precautions. That's what they're doing. But we are in the Old Town District, which is really just a beautiful area to wander around. There's a lot here to do. There's shopping. You've got a lot of things to look at. You've got a lot of different restaurants of all types to go to. And I just, this is an area that I enjoy coming down. The parking can be a little bit troublesome sometimes, but what I noticed is that around dinner time, daytime folks have already started leaving, and then the evening folks are coming, and parking spots start to open downtown here. And that's what happened tonight, is I was able to get actually a really good parking spot near this. There are also parking structures in the area, and using your navigation, you can find all of that in this area. But I got myself a nice cappuccino. Oh, that's good. That's really good. They take coffee very seriously. in Saudi. They have many different kinds. You've got different Middle Eastern coffees that you can get that have different flavorings going on. But overall, they just take coffee seriously, and I love that because I'm a caffeine guy, as you all know. And this area is it's busy tonight. There's a lot of people wandering around. The shops are open. The cafes are open. And other than the fact that people are wearing masks, things look very open and inviting right now in the downtown area of Saudi, here in Riyadh, and in this Old Town district, which is just, I have to tell you, it's just a nice place to come relax. So I'll be showing you some footage of this area over the next few videos. You'll get a chance to see some of the architecture, and you'll get a chance to see some of the just cafes and shops and things like that. And also I'll take you through the shopping district where they have what they call souks. Souks are basically where you go shopping. There's no price. You just barter until you both agree on a price. That's the way it works. And you find anything you want. Head to toe clothing, as well as toys, as well as electronics. It's all there. Even you can find furniture items and things like that. Antiques of all kind. If you want to pick up an antique while you're here in Saudi and bring that home. Something that I enjoy doing is I enjoy buying something that's around this size, something small that I can put on a shelf back in my house for every country that I visit, just something that I can bring back. If it's an antique, that's great. If it's something that's just, that I find that catches my eye, that's fine too. But that's what I enjoy doing. So I think you'll find this next few videos to be interesting. These are going to be some actual downtown footage, as well as just other things like I'm going to show you a little bit about just getting gas and going into a small shop to be able to buy some food. And you'll see just how friendly it is and how welcoming it is, and how very easy it is to, even if you don't speak the local language, a lot of people speak English, and at the same time, you can always just, if they tell that you're not from here, you just point to what you would like and smile, and a smile goes very far here, as it does in most countries. It's just a great way to go. So I hope you enjoy this series and you get a chance to see some different things. And we'll just kind of keep the video going for a little while and give you a chance to look around, okay?